Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to build an easy fish farm in Minecraft. First, gather your basic materials: a water bucket, a chest, and a hopper. Begin by digging a 2-block deep hole. Place your chest at the very bottom of this hole. Then, connect a hopper to the chest, making sure it points directly into it. This forms the essential collection system for all your future catches. Next, create your water source. Place a water block directly above the hopper. This will generate a flowing stream. Now, build a small platform or a single block for yourself to stand on. Position this so you can cast your fishing rod into the flowing water. It is crucial that the water flows directly into the hopper to collect all your items. Hey everyone, if you are finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you are looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth *. It is a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For a more advanced, automatic setup, you can incorporate a tripwire hook and string. Place these so that when a fish bites, it triggers a mechanism. You might use a note block or a pressure plate to activate your fishing rod automatically. This allows for AFK, or away from keyboard, fishing, significantly increasing your catch rate over time. So, why build a fish farm? They offer a consistent and reliable source of food, keeping you well-fed in your Minecraft world. Beyond food, you will also gain valuable experience points and have a chance to reel in enchanted books and other rare treasures. It is an incredibly efficient way to gather resources and level up without needing to actively hunt or mine.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.